Hello friends, in this video I'll tell you data types in R. There are various data types in R. The meaning of data type is data type of any variable specifies the type of data that is stored inside that variable. So to know the type of data is very important because according to type of data one can choose the specific analytical tool to apply on that data. There are 6 different types of data types in R. The very first one is the logical data type. It is also known as Boolean data type. It can have only two values, true or false. And please pay attention whenever we are writing true and false as a logical data type, we always need to write it in caps because otherwise if we are writing it in small letters or we are writing the first alphabet as the capital and the remaining as the small alphabets, in that case R will not treat it as a logical data type because R is case sensitive language. Say for example we have two variables b1 and b2. In b1 true is stored and in b2 false is stored. In that case b1 and b2 will be known as logical variables, and when we will call b1 and b2 it will return us true and false. The next data type is integer data type. It specifies real values without decimal points. We can use suffix capital L to specify integer data. Say for example there is a variable called x and we have stored 16L in that x variable. So that means x is a integer variable. The third data type is numeric. It represents all the real numbers with or without decimal values. Say for example there is a variable weight and 47.6 kg is stored in the weight variable. So weight would be the numeric variable with decimal values. Similarly, the other variable is height and 138 inches are stored in it. So that means height is a numeric variable without decimal values. The next data type is complex. It is used to specify purely imaginary values in R programming. Generally, suffix small I is used to specify the imaginary part. Say for example, there is a variable called y and 21 minus 5i is stored in it. That means 5i is the imaginary part of the variable. The next data type is character. It is used to specify character or string values in a variable. Say for example, there are two variables p and q. In p, abc is stored and in q, x is stored. So generally double quote and single quote are used to store string or character in any variable. The last data type in R programming is raw data type. Raw data type specifies values as raw bytes. There are two functions used in R programming. The very first one is character to raw and second one is raw to character. Character to raw converts character data into raw data, and raw to character function converts raw data into character data. Say for example there is a variable called w and hello is stored in w with the help of function character to raw. So when we will run w and call w, the output would be 68, 65, 6c, 6c, 6f. When we are passing capital H in hello, so the output would be 48, 65, 6c, 6c, 6f. So friends, this way these are the 6 data types in R. So thank you so much friends for watching this video. Stay connected, subscribe my channel. Thank you.